Hey y'all, welcome to 1 Minute Exposure, the show that exposes you to some of the goings on in the photo realm. Today I want to talk to you about the NIK Collection, powered by Google. Now, if you've got the Snapseed app, there's some old ties to those folks who worked on NIK way back in the day. Google got it, made it free, and is about to be flipped into something else and updated for 2018. But this version from 2016 that was free is still available now. What I did with these photos, Christina, that we shot in the parking garage, our parking garage talent that photographers have to go through unceremoniously, I guess. We all do it. But I had this whole 80s retro feel kind of thing coming in mind for the shoot and applied it here, hence the music. So after getting some adjustments, you migrate over into the analog effects or whatever one of the 7 apps is available in the NIK Collection. You'll have some pre-made recipes, you can add your own. And back in 2016, the whole fading shadows thing was huge. That's part of the reason why I fell in love with this series of apps for photos, and it's still paying dividends now. It does definitely need some upgrades to it. It's an older one, but it's free. You gotta have Lightroom or Photoshop to use it and go to their website to check them out. That's all for today. Have a good one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss a shot from Carolina's Photography.